it was too quiet outside. Then Diablo snapped his fingers. At that moment, the tent blew away. Calgurio and the others were able to the scene outside. There was a pile of dead bodies. All the soldiers were dead as if they were sleeping. Yes, as if only their souls had been taken out. No, Calgurio realized, that was exactly what had happened.
"身の程知らずにもこの私を呼び出したのはあなたですか?」大量の供物に初仕事、光栄の極みで少々張り切ってしまいそうです。この日を心待ちにしております。今後ともお仕えしてもよろしいのでしょうか。ご安心ください、マスター。
Worm, he got his filth on me. There's only one man in the world allowed to touch my body like that. Only one man who's allowed to lust over me. That shit! That lowly piece of excrement! Even I was shocked by that crew's audacity. I'd be happy to prepare a new puppet if you wish, Lady Albedo. I'm just complaining.
Just give me a